What's up, people? Today we're going to do a $700 build with a GTX 1070. First up, we have a AMD FX 8320 Black Edition, 3.2 gigahertz turbo boost up to 4.0 gigahertz. It's an 8-core, 32 nanometer processor. It's a beast as far as gaming and live streaming. And to keep that CPU cool, we have a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo CPU cooler. That thing will keep it frosty. It's the best thing you can get compared to water for that kind of price. 29 bucks is a steal. Get it, keep it cool, overclock it to the max. For the motherboard, we got an MSI 970 gaming motherboard that's on an AM3 Plus socket. I have this motherboard and this CPU, and I had it overclocked to 4.5 gigahertz, and it was beasting in games and in rendering. And for the hard drive, we have a Western Digital Blue 1 terabyte hard drive. I recommend this hard drive as much as I can because at 7200 RPM it just never goes wrong. This thing works forever. For the power supply, we got an EVGA 600 watt 80 plus gold power supply for 49 bucks. It will be plenty to power this build with the efficiencies that AMD and Nvidia has made to these graphics cards. They are sucking up way less power, so it's plenty power for this build. Around we have HyperX Fury 8 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. It's one stick. You don't need 16 gigabytes, even though the games are now trying to say you do. They're recommending it, but you don't need more than 8 for gaming. You only need 16 if you're going to be doing rendering, video editing, and stuff like that. 8 gigabytes is all you need for gaming. For the heart of the build, we have a GTX 1070 8 gigabyte core. This thing is killing 980 Ti's, Titan X's. It's stronger than both Nvidia's flagship cards right now. So the total price of this build comes out to 760 bucks. You might get it for a little cheaper if you can find deals or some promo codes sent in and stuff like that. But that's it for me, fellas. I'm out.